Welcome to Company Showcase, an advertising feature on HowStreet.com.
I'm Jim Goddard. I'm speaking with Larry Reaugh, CEO and President of American Manganese. Welcome back to the show, Larry.
Thanks, Jim.
You've just cranked out a new news release. What's in it?
Well, this is a milestone for the company. We've been invited by Bloomberg Financial to come down and actually talk about our recycling. And this is an exclusive meeting in Palo Alto, and it's in the United States, California, Silicon Valley, you name it. It's in the right area, and it's by invitation only. So it should be a couple of hundred high-ranking officials there from various sectors, whether it be EV cars, battery manufacturers, financial gurus. All of them should be there in the same room, and we probably have one of the newest technologies to talk about. So I'm excited. I'm really enthusiastic about going down and presenting the company and talking. As you know, I have no problems talking, so I'll be talking about our recycling opportunity. And the more I dig into this in the last couple of weeks, the more excited I get. So I see that we're definitely on the right track. We're getting world recognition, and we're in the right crowd. I mean, how many companies get invited to inaugural conference by Bloomberg? Not many. And certainly not in the junior status like we are. So, Jim, that's I think the shareholders, from responses I've got on emails and stuff, are very happy about that. And I see that working into something significant for all of us going into the future.
And Larry, I've seen, too, that Bloomberg is going to be working hand-in-hand with Canada's Business News Network. So you're going to get lots of coverage on both sides of the border.
Yes, I think that will definitely happen. We've been contacted by BNN, so they are watching what's happening with us. And now that there's a tie-up between the two of them, I think that we'll definitely fit into that slot. So, you know, the more the merrier, and sooner or later, somebody's going to step up to the plate and with a big war chest or the know-how to help us move this product forward.
And Larry, for new listeners, can you give us a thumbnail sketch of American Manganese and what you've discovered?
American Manganese is a company that's a critical mining exploration company. We have several projects, and strangely enough, we tie into the battery industry in all of those projects. Certainly the Rocher de Boule high-grade copper-gold property fits the bill for potential discovery of ore up in the RD camp with our joint venture partner. And the manganese property fits into the electrolytic manganese dioxide or chemical dioxide for making batteries, which we've already done. And, of course, now we've evolved into a company that's going to recycle the lithium-ion batteries from EV cars. Now, that said and done, it didn't happen overnight. It's about a history of 80 years in the company developing this project, not by us, but certainly the last 10 years by us. And before that, the U.S. Bureau of Mines spent millions and years trying to take a low-grade deposit, and I'm talking 2 or 3% of manganese in the U.S., and evolving it into a process that would allow them to economically produce electrolytic metals. And unfortunately, it always failed at the end. In the third year of our processing, we came up with a solution. that is comparable to costs in China with much higher grades in the 50% range. So we found, or Chemetco, our research lab, found that the chemistry should work on the cathode metals in a LAB battery. And we've reached the process where we're patenting that process now. And we're going to be raising money to build the pilot plant, bring in another 2 or 3 patented technology processes that will streamline the existing process that we're patenting and save money on capital and costs. So it's an exciting project, Jim.
Larry, where are you traded and under what symbols?
We're traded on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol AMY. We're traded on the U.S. Exchange under the symbol AMYZF. The Frankfurt Exchange under the symbol 2AM. We have a website out there, AmericanManganeseInc.com, and we can be contacted here on our phone, 778-574-4444.
Larry, thanks for the update.
You're welcome, Jim.
My guest has been Larry Reaugh, President and CEO of American Manganese. I'm Jim Goddard. We were speaking on January 12th.
Comments made on Company Showcase are an expression of opinion only and should not be construed in any manner whatsoever as recommendations to buy or sell any financial instrument at any time. Archived online at HowStreet.com. Company Showcase is a production of How Street Media Incorporated.